With inside you, there is this longing for freedom and abundance, but you don't know where to start. So in this video, we're gonna outline the steps that you need to take in order to get started. And if you want even more deep dive into the detailed instructions, they're available at my website down below. The first thing you need to do is think really hard about the niche that you want to get yourself into. Take into consideration your experience, your proficiency, your passion, and then research that niche. You can use the free tool trends.google.com to do so, but also keep in mind that it should hopefully be a niche that is scalable and profitable and where there is a high demand. But basically anything you can think of is possible to create a business around. That's why we have step-by-step instructions on how to get to that clarity down below at my website. Also make sure that there are products and services available in that niche already so that you can become an affiliate for those that you like, so that you easily and quickly can start getting revenue into your business, and that you can also provide products and services to your audience that you are not the owner of, but that you think they might benefit from. Researching your niche is a lot of fun, but it also takes quite a bit of work, so maybe that's why you should opt in for our program down below to get that support along the process. Once you've found your niche, it's time to define your ideal client, your ideal customer, the customer avatar that you specifically want to serve in your business. So now you need to figure out, what are you going to offer? What kind of solution are you going to offer your clients? What kind of problems or challenges do they have that you can support them with? What are their desired outcome? And who is this person? Also, try to figure out, where does this person hang out online? Is it someone on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube? I do have a very important advice for you though. I would go for building my business on YouTube, then be able to build like a library of content there that you can then market on other platforms to reach your audience. I find it important that you create something that is truly your own, that you're not just an affiliate for other products and services, but that you also build up this library of content with your expertise, where you're directly speaking to your audience and helping them solve their problem. So defining your ideal client is also a very intense work, a lot of thinking, a lot of feeling, a lot of research. And if you want help with that, you can also opt into our program down below at my website. Now that you have defined your ideal client, it's time to really dig into the needs and wants and goals of your ideal client. Really the pain points that this person has, the problem deep down that you can provide a solution to. Because that's going to make it easier for you in the next step, that you really know what struggles your client is going through, so that you can then prepare your marketing message properly in order to cater to that. Because it's important that you can offer the perfect solution to the perfect client at the perfect time. Your next step is to build a brand and message that really stands out in the crowd, so that you don't disappear in the noise that's out there online. This message should be so specific and so important to your target audience that they can't miss it, and that they will want to become your customers because it feels to them like you're speaking directly to them. When building your brand and message, it's also a matter of attracting the right audience into your business, because you don't want everyone to become your customer. You want the specific ideal client to become your customer. And with that message, you really don't have to reach everybody. You don't want to reach everybody. It's enough to reach the right person with your message. And the better your message is, the more targeted your message is, the fewer people you really have to reach. Because the ones that you do target, the ones that you do attract into your business, will become your customers. And this sounds really easy, but it's always easier said than done. So a lot of work goes into this step as well. Because not only do you want to be proud of the business that you create and the service that you can provide, you also want to really turn this into cash flow into your bank account. So make sure to put effort into this step. This next step is more about technology, and maybe you need that kind of support from us. We have that as well down below. We'll help you set up a website, help you create funnels, etc. So in this step, it's about setting up an authority marketing system, which means that you're setting up a system where you're getting leads into your business that are getting into your funnel. You're offering them a low-cost offer or a free offer, and then eventually they're going to become your customers and they're going to buy something with higher value. So a funnel, you're creating a funnel, you're setting up a website, you might be setting up your social accounts, and you're starting to learn how to create ads. So this is a bit more techy, and if you don't feel tech savvy, there is support all the way in our program as well to be able to do this. I've set up my website, I've created the funnel, and I'm generating leads into my email list. And this is important too. An email list is the only true place where you own your audience. On YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, you don't own that audience and you can't directly market to them. You can post stuff and people can watch it, but you're not directly marketing. So with your email list, you need to create that too on the side, but get the software and the tech support in order to generate an email list, your direct clients and customers that you can market to with your offers, products and services, whether they're your own or affiliate links, etc. The cool thing about an authority marketing system is that it works around the clock. So the hours that you put in now is gonna be really valuable later because this system is working by itself. It's out there online, attracting customers into your funnel who eventually become your paying clients. That is so cool about the online business models that you can set up. It's not like you're owning a store where you have to be from 10 in the morning to 7 in the evening in order to get sales. You're setting it up online and then it works automatically. So that's cool about the authority marketing system that you're now going to set up in this step. The final step in your business is now to get your message out to your clients. So you need to leverage online ads and or grow your business organically. If you're growing organically, you need a platform, preferably YouTube, maybe Facebook or any other, complementing that one. And then you start growing your audience there. That's growing organically. It takes a lot of time and a lot of patience. The other way to do it is to have a budget of at least like $10 a day that you can place on ads online. So now you need to learn how to create ads that attract your ideal client into your business. And like I said, should you want the detailed instructions and the support to do all of this, click the link below and opt in for our program and you'll get a couple of free workshops to start with.